Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Have you heard about Constitution?
It's
Yes, you have heard. Okay, what is that Constitution?
the book of laws.
Book of laws.
It's a book of laws, or you might have heard that a lot of rules and regulations are written down in the Constitution, and the government should rule accordingly. Rights of citizens are given, duties of citizens are given. So that is considered as a what do you say representation of our country. Okay, how a country is. If we read this, we can understand. That's what we say. Okay, so here how the constitution is designed, or in what way it is presented, that is what you can see in this particular chapter. The name of the chapter, that is constitutional design. Okay, so we are first we are talking about the situation what was there in South Africa. You might have heard about South Africa. It is in the African continent, at the southern part of African continent. You can see the South Africa, where many white people are there. Original inhabitants were black people, plus lot of Indians were there, because when the Britishers, when they went there, they took lot of Indians there for work. Okay, so many Indians are there, still now they are there, many are there, plus black people, in the sense the original inhabitants, they are there, plus a lot of white people are settled in South Africa. So that now they are the inhabitants of South Africa. So but when we see many years back, it was different, the situation was different. Okay, now to begin with, I will share the screen, just 1 minute. Yes, here you can see that somebody has said something that is there in your textbook also. It is a wording given by one famous person. You can just read that. Okay. Lakshmi, can you read loudly?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the idea of democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die.
Die. Okay. So this is actually given by Nelson Mandela. Okay, what is he telling? That he is asking for a democratic and free society. Okay, he wants his country to be a democracy, a free society where all live together in harmony, where they all live in equal manner, equal opportunities should be there for everyone. So that is what he wants to achieve. He is hoping that all these things should be there in his country. And what is he telling at last? I am ready to die for it. To get the freedom, to live in harmony, to live in equal opportunities, he is ready to die for it. Okay, so this is what some wordings you can see, which is given by, or which is a speech given by Nelson Mandela regarding his idea about democracy, harmony, equality, and all. Okay, next, to start with the lesson, Nelson Mandela, if you see, I told you that he was in South Africa, and he was always talking for freedom. okay, freedom. And he always tells that you cannot behave in a different manner with the people, even though they are black or white or Indians, all should be given equal opportunities, all should be treated equally. These kind of thinkings were there with Nelson Mandela. So when he is speaking this to the people, do you think that white people will like this? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, they will not like it, because white people, they are the superior ones there, and they don't want to give any rights or anything to the Indians and black people over there. So white people felt angry towards him. They tried to stop him, but he continued his speeches, and he started telling people that we should fight peacefully. That is a particular speciality of Nelson Mandela, that we should fight peacefully for getting all these rights. Okay, now here you can see that white South African government, what they did, they took him in the jail by telling or on the reason of treason. Okay, treason or cheating, in the sense he is cheating the particular white government, or he is not listening to the white government. On that reason, he and his seven other leaders were there. They all they took them in the custody, and he was sentenced for life imprisonment, or he got the punishment for life imprisonment. Have you heard about this term, life imprisonment?
Yes,
What is that life imprisonment now?
he will be lifelong represent.
Yeah, lifelong he will be, till his death he will be in the prison. Okay, so that he felt, so that kind of punishment once he got. And why it was given to him like that? Because he was against the practice of apartheid. I will tell you what it is, apartheid. Okay, so he was given imprisonment. Which year he got the imprisonment? In 1964. Why he got imprisonment? Because he started opposing apartheid regime. What is apartheid regime? I'll tell you. Just first listen why he was put in jail. Okay, so like this you can see he was in prison. Now, where he was put, there was a one prison is there which is a dreaded one. Okay, dreaded one in the sense very dangerous one, where all the criminals are kept, dangerous peoples are kept. So it is in an island actually. Why it was in an island? Because all those people, they should not escape. Even if they escape also, they will be in the water. So like that, it was a dreaded prison, it seems. So he was kept along with his leaders, where in there was a prison in Robben Island. Okay, so like this he got punishment. Now what do you mean by apartheid? That is what is given. What is apartheid here? You can see that it is a system of racial discrimination. Racial discrimination, in the sense, especially this kind of discrimination you can see only in South Africa. South Africa, you know, I told you that they used to discriminate the people on the basis of color mainly. Okay, white people had a feeling of superiority over black people or brown people. They always tell that they are the superior ones. Why do they say that? On the basis of this color. They consider themselves as superior. So this a system of racial discrimination was there, where in South Africa, what kind of discrimination was it? What kind of difference was, what kind of discrimination they showed? They showed it on the basis of color. Okay. Now, white people, many white people, they settled in South Africa, and they became the local rulers there. Okay. So, white people actually, they came from other areas like Britain, from European countries they came. And after coming, what they did, they settled in South Africa. They didn't go went back to their they didn't go back to their native place. They settled there. And what they did after some time, they are rich, so they started, they bought so many places and all, and slowly they became the rulers there. So they became the local rulers there, and you know, they are educated. But when we come, when we see South Africa, the people are not educated. Then they are black people, so they themselves felt an inferiority complex. They felt that these white people, because they are seeing it's first time like this much white people, I mean white color. So they felt respect towards the white people. And they are educated, they are properly dressed like anything, like coat suit and all they are wearing. So they felt that these people are really superior, and slowly these people, they took the power in their hands, or they became the local rulers that time. Okay, now here India, you know what happened. India, how was it? India was also colony of which country?
Britain.
Britain. But in Britain, what, there is a difference. Britain or Britain, when they came here, they didn't settle here. They, after their term of work, they went back. Okay, then there were very few settled in India. Otherwise, if you see that they don't want to settle in India, many of them went back. Okay, but here what is the difference we can see? Many of the people, they bought land there and they settled there. So now they are the people of South Africa. They are not going back to their native place here. Okay, so that is one thing you can see related to South Africa. Difference you can see related between South Africa and India. They settled, many of them they settled in South Africa. Now, apartheid, if you see, it is a system where in which the people were divided on the basis of skin color mainly. Okay, so how the differences they were shown, they were showing the differences on the basis of their skin color. Okay, whether the black color, white color, brown color, like that, they started showing differences. Okay, so the native people here, you can see they are black in color. You know that Africans, their color is black in color. Okay, now population wise, if you see, 3/4 of the population are blacks. 3/4 of the population, in the sense majority of the population are blacks or whites?
Blacks.
Yeah, they are blacks. Okay, so if you see majority of the population, they are black people only. But still you can see who is ruling. Who became the local rulers?
White.
Yeah,
Whites.
whites, which are, who are considered as a minority, very less number they are. But other than that, what they are telling, so one group whites are there, okay, another group blacks are there, another group, what they are telling, mixed races or colored groups. Okay, colored group in the sense they are talking about the people who migrated from India. They are neither black nor white. That kind of category they have given, that is colored one. Okay, so see how it is given, how they have classified the people on the basis of skin color. Black people, white people, colored people. Okay, like this they have done. So this is one classification you can see other than white blacks. Now apartheid system, it was very oppressive one, especially for whom? Black people. Okay, it was very difficult for the black people to live in their own country. It is their country, but no freedom for them. A lot of discrimination. You might have heard that when Gandhiji went to South Africa, he was pushed out of the train, right? Yeah, he was pushed out of the train. Why it was? Because he was not allowed to travel in that particular coach, which is reserved only for whom? Yeah, only for the white people. So you see that there were some buses were there, then you can see trains were there. In the train also, Some coaches were entirely reserved for white people. So in that coach, if any black people is entering, that's all. They will be getting a very great punishment. Like that they will be getting. So some areas are there where the blacks are not allowed at all. Where the white people are living, they will not allow the black people to come there. Okay. Otherwise, there are some clubs where which is only reserved for white people. There are some parks, beaches and all where it is reserved only for the white people. If any black people or any others go into that particular area, they will be shot to death. There is not less than that. They will be killed. That was the situation. So that's why you see that it is their country and some other people have come and they started ruling and they are telling that you people are not allowed here. So it is mainly why they are doing this this kind of system, or why they do like this. It is mainly the discrimination based on skin color. Now in the areas you can see they were forbidden to enter. They are not allowed to enter in the areas where white people are living. At the same time, you can see if they have permit, they should have license, then you can go and work in that particular area. Okay, so this was the situation during that time related to the, what do you say, black people in South Africa. I'll just take the textbook now. There some pictures they have given related to, related to the, just 1 minute. In the introductory part you see, so 2, 3, yeah, here. You see this one, danger is given. You can see that, right? Danger. Okay, just see that what is written. Natives. Who are natives?
Black people.
The black people. Indians. Indian from India, those who have come from India. And coloreds. Coloreds in the sense some people might have come from other countries. They are not the white people. Okay, so those people, what have they given here? If you enter these premises, if you enter here at night, you will be listed as missing. What do you mean by that? You will be listed as missing. What do you mean by that? Missing people? Killed. That means after that you will be missing. That's all. Okay, you will be listed as missing. Armed guards shoot on sight. Savage dogs devour the corpse. That means that dogs will eat that body. So after that will be whether you will be getting the body? No. So you will be missing. That's all. Okay. The city of Durban, what is written? There also it is written what? You are not allowed to enter there in that particular area. That is what here you can see. The page in this particular area it is written. Sign on Durban beach. In English. Africans and Zulu. On English it is written what? City of Durban under section 37. The Durban beach by law. Which area? It is a beach area. Okay, by law what is given? This bathing area is reserved only for the members of white race group. So nobody else is allowed in that particular area. A board is kept there. Okay, it shows that black people, colored people, Indian people, they should not enter in that particular region. If enter, that's all, they'll be getting punishment or they will be killed. This is what they say. So how rude they were, you can see in relation to these matters and policies. They don't want any other color group people to enter in the area where they are living. And there were some reservations. Even if some cinema halls are there, some parks are there where only the white people can go, others cannot enter. Or some clubs were there, to that particular club only the white people can go, not the colored or Indians or anything like that. So yeah, this is what they have given here. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools, colleges, libraries, like that every area, there are some areas where the people are not allowed to enter. So that was a difficult situation. You think it is your country, your place, and you are not allowed in that particular area. Okay, so everything it was separate for whom? Blacks and white. Everything, hotels or cinema halls or whatever it is, that was separate for everyone. Okay, so that policy we call it as, this we call it as segregation. Segregation in the sense separating the people, maybe on the basis of color, here on the basis of color. So they are showing differences, segregation on the basis of color here. Now see one more thing, they could not even visit the churches where the whites worshipped. Where the white people are going, to that church black people should not go. Okay, or black people, they should not form association or protest against this treatment also. Even if anything happens, they should not protest at all, and they should not form association. What do you mean by this association now? Why do they form? Why? What is there any need for forming association? What is that? Why do they form association? For what purpose they will form? If forming, for what purpose they will form?
Groups who are staying.
Yeah, see, black people also can form association. Why? What is the need of forming association for here?
To rebel against the white people.
Yeah, to talk for their rights, right? They can form association. But what they are telling here, whether the blacks can form association, huh? They are keeping the provision here, they cannot form association. If you form association only, they will tell that they need this right, right? So what they are telling, they cannot form any association, and they cannot protest against any terrible treatment. White people are terribly treating the black people, but you should not tell that. You should be quiet. You should suffer. This is what who says? The white people says here. Okay. But even then, you can see that the black people, colored people, Indians, they are fighting against the apartheid system. You can see they are launching strikes, protest. They are conducting protest. They are showing that they don't want to be they don't want this policy to be followed in their country. So here you can see, since 1950 onwards, the black people, colored people, Indians, they are fighting against the apartheid system. Now, I told you that Nelson Mandela was charged something. What is that? On what reason they told that what reason they told to put him in the jail?
Treason.
Treason. So what is treason here? He might have formed association. He might have protested against the apartheid. So that is considered as a treason, because by law it is told that you should not protest. But what he did? He protested. So this shows that he is a cheater against the government. So on that reason he was put in jail. Okay. So here you can see the people are against the apartheid system. And there was a party, African National Congress. It is one party. Below that, many small parties are there, like workers parties, workers unions are there, communist party is there. So like that, many came under the African National Congress. Okay. Now some white people also very sensitive. They were very sensitive towards the black people. What do you mean by that, sensitive towards the black people? What do you mean by that? Some white people, okay, they were sensitive towards the, yeah, what do you mean by that? I didn't hear what you said.
They were kind to,
yeah,
black
they
people.
were, some were kind towards the black people. They felt that why they are treated like this. Some people, some white people, okay, some of them, they felt that this sort of discrimination should not be shown to the people, or they felt bad. That is the one thing. Okay, so here some white people supported them. Supported whom? This African national congress, because when they are fighting or they asking for rights and all, white people felt that what they are asking is correct, because we are in their country and we are treating them very badly. We are not considering them as human beings at all. So some were very sensitive, some supported them. Okay, now do you think that these white people, when they are supporting, they will get punishment? What do you feel?
Sometimes.
No, they will not give much punishment at all. They will call them and warn them, that's all. They are not, they will not be giving punishment to white people, because that is their people, right? They feel that that is their people. They will not give much punishment or anything. They may be called, warned, don't do this, they will say that, but that they'll finish it off. But here you can see, even though some white people were there, they were supporting the African people. Okay, now another one thing you can see related to that, they started, many countries, they started telling, in the sense, several countries, they started telling that the system of apartheid is very bad. Denounce means they are talking, they rejected the idea of apartheid. What is idea of apartheid? What is apartheid? What is apartheid?
Discrimination based on race.
Yeah, showing discrimination
On the basis of color.
color, right? So several countries, you know that we are all living in a world where many countries are there. So South Africa is alone now. All other countries started telling that what are you doing? What you are doing is wrong. They started denouncing the apartheid system. Okay, so they felt that okay now, but still you can see it took a long time for them to remove apartheid from South Africa. White rulers, they were not much bothered about what others are telling or what others were telling. They continued their ruling by detaining, torturing, killing thousands of black people and colored people. They were not bothered. They killed a lot of people. Detained means what now? What do you mean by detained?
Remove.
Not remove actually, keeping that person there itself in custody. Okay, you might have studied or you might have heard detained in 9th standard. Have you heard? What is a detained in 9th standard? Detained in 8th standard. What do you mean by that?
Being passed to
Studying in the same
Ah,
class.
same, sitting in the same class. So detained in the sense they are keeping under their custody, they are not releasing that person. Okay, so they used to detain the people, torture the people like anything. See, they don't consider the black people as human beings. They consider themselves something as inferior one, not at all human beings. So they started, how we behave with the animals and all, they started, they were torturing those people. Okay, and they used to kill thousands of black people and colored people. They are not bothered whether black people are dying, whether they are colored people are dying. They are not at all bothered about this. Now here you can see, when they increased all these discriminatory policy, protest also increased, struggles also increased. Okay, and you can see white government, what they have done here, they repealed the law. What do you mean by repealing the law? Repeal the law means what? Too much of protest, too much of struggle in the country. So white people, they started repealing the law. What do you mean by that? You can just guess and tell.
Removing.
Yeah, slowly they started changing the laws here. Okay, they wanted to improve some changes in the discriminatory laws here. Now at the same time, what they did, political parties were not at all allowed in Africa. Like African National Congress were there, political parties are not allowed. Why they were not allowing political parties? What is the reason? What is the reason why they were not allowing political parties? African National Congress. What will be the reason?
They will say that.
People gather around, they will
Yeah, people will
Why?
gather around them.
protest.
Yeah,
will-
maybe they will all organize protests. They will talk against the They will talk against whom?
White people.
White people. So what the white people did, that told them that you cannot form political parties. But that was banned actually. That was lifted. Lifted means what now? What do you mean by lifted? That is removed. Okay. Now they can form the political parties. Another one thing, restrictions on media were lifted. What do you mean by restrictions on media now?
There is banned media.
There is control over media. Okay. Media means what now?
Newspaper.
Newspaper, TV, or whatever it is. During those days, it's not necessary TV will be there, but TV was there. Okay, 19, you see the years and all, 1994, just before that also TV were there. So, news reporters were there. So, what they did, if any media is publishing anything against the white people, they will ban that particular media. So here restrictions were there. So medias cannot show everything to the people. There were restrictions. That restrictions were removed by the government. So small changes they are bringing. What all changes they brought? Discriminatory laws were repealed. Slowly they started changing the discriminatory law. Second one, ban on political parties removed. Restrictions, third one, restrictions on the media, it is lifted. Now no restrictions. Another one important one you can see, after 28 years of imprisonment, you think, imagine, 28 years, Nelson Mandela, he was in jail. Okay, after long 28 years, see, one more thing is there. If he is in jail also, do you think that the white authorities will spare him? What do you feel?
Him.
Huh? No, they will beat him, they will try to make him under control. Okay, so here you can see how many years he was in jail. 28 years. You see how long years. And then you can see he came out as a free man after 28 years. Now when that happened, you can see somewhat in 1994, and from there they are getting freedom. So at the midnight of 26th April 1994, the new flag of the Republic Noreen is in your class, right? No. Okay. Okay, so here the national flag of Republic of South Africa, it was unfurled, making the newly born democracy in the world. Unfurled in the sense, you know, that flag hoisting, right? Like that they hoisted, and new democracy came into the world, that is democracy of South Africa. So the apartheid government came to an end. After that you can see a multiracial government. What is this multiracial government? What do you mean by multiracial?
Every races are there.
Yeah, different people belonging to different races came to an existence in where? In South Africa. Okay, so like this you can see there was a long struggle for independence, democracy, freedom, equality. See, it's not like it was not a freedom struggle like India. India, at least we were in a better position. Okay, we were not like the black people who were suffering there. There were no special reservation or anything like that. We were in a better position. Even though a lot of exploitation was there, we were better. We could form parties. We were having a lot of leaders and all. But this was not there. This was not the system what you see in South Africa. It was very difficult, terrible for them. Okay, so like this you can see 1994 they are getting freedom and they are forming a new democracy in the world. Okay, now let me take the attendance. Please tell fast. Okay, Adikesh, Abhiram, Abhiram
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Adlio?
Abhiram present.
Yes, yes. Advait Murali?
Ma'am, Abhiram present.
Yes, my dear. I marked present. My God. Okay. So here, next, Advait Sinoob, present, okay. Ehsan? Present, right? Let's check someone. Ehsan?
Yes, ma'am.
Present, okay. Albert?
Present, ma'am.
Ellen?
Present, ma'am.
Alvin? Alvin? Absent? Okay. Amaljit?
Present, ma'am.
Amin?
Present, ma'am.
Anantita?
Present, ma'am.
Aneshwara?
Present, ma'am.
Anjana?
Present, ma'am.
Benedict? Fadil?
Present, ma'am.
Present. Hira?
Present, ma'am.
Henan? Absent. Hrithwik? Hrithwik? Iron?
Present, ma'am.
Isha? Ken?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi? CV?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nandakumar?
Present, ma'am.
Lynette?
Present, ma'am.
Nadeem? Nadeem? Absent. Nandana?
Present, ma'am.
Navneet? Absent. Nikhila? Nikhila? Absent. Nivetya?
Present, ma'am.
Pooja? Pooja? Pooja, I saw her in the beginning. Sridev?
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev?
Present, ma'am.
Tamanna? Tamanna? Absent. Tom?
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi absent. Jairus?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye everyone.
Vice, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. See you soon, ma'am. Bye, bye.